Hi learners! Welcome back to our channel. For this video, we are going to talk about matter. So just sit back, relax, and have fun while learning. Everything that surrounds us is called matter. It literally surrounds us because anything that occupies space and has mass is considered as matter. All matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Now, what is atom? Atom is made up of electrons, protons, and neutrons. Atom is the basic building block for all matter in the universe. Atom fits together with other atoms to make up matter. Let's just discuss further about atoms in the next video. For now, let's just focus on matter. Matter can be found anywhere, but only few states or phases can be found in Earth, while other states exist in extreme environments. The most popular states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas, until plasma was introduced in the 1920s. And by 1995, BoseEinstein Condensate, or much known as BE condensate, was introduced. First state of matter that we're going to discuss is solid. As we can see in the image on your right side, solid particles cannot move or slide past one another. It cannot flow easily. Solid has fixed volume and shape because its particles were locked into place. And lastly, it cannot be easily compressible due to its particles having little free space from each other. Here are some examples of solid objects. We have here a bag, ball, clothes, diamond, slippers, pumpkin, pencil, and television. Now, let's discuss the liquid state of matter. Liquid particles can move or slide past one another, just like what we can see in the image. Liquid assumes the shape of the part of the container which it occupies. Although liquid particles have more free spaces compared to solid particles, still, it's not compressible. Water is the most popular example of liquid. We also have here milk, coffee, honey, and so much more. Another state of matter is called gas. Gas particles can move and pass one another so it flows easily. Like liquid particles, gas particles assume the shape of its container. And lastly, gas is compressible since its particles have a lot of space between each other. Here are some examples of gas. Helium inside balloons, oxygen used by divers, liquefied petroleum gas, and water vapor from boiling water. Now, let's have a short activity. Let's complete the table using all the given. Let's put every item under its correct state. First given is rain. Rain is a water form, so it should be under liquid. Next is socks. Socks are soft and stretchable, but still it has a fixed volume and shape, so this is under solid. Third item, which is log, is hard and not compressible, so this is under the solid state as well. Our next item is air. Air moves and flows easily, so it's under gas state. Soda is a drink. It's a combination of water and flavorings, so this is under liquid state. Our sixth item is steam. This is another form of air, so clearly this is under gas state. Wind is also a form of air, so this will go under gas state as well. Our eighth item is water. As we've said earlier, water is the most popular example of liquid. So we will put it under the liquid column. Next item is rock. Rock is very hard and has a fixed volume as well as shape. So this will go under the solid state. Our next item is juice. This is a mixture of water and flavoring, so this is under the liquid state. Our second to the last given is smoke. Just like steam, this is another form of air, so this is clearly under the gas state. Lastly, table. Table is sturdy, hard, and not compressible. It also has a fixed volume and shape, so this is under the solid state. We're now done with the first three states of matter. Let's now have a closer look with the fourth one, which is the plasma. Just like gas, plasma has no fixed volume and shape. Plasma is a superheated matter, extremely hot that the electrons from its atoms were ripped away, forming an ionized gas. Plasma can conduct electricity and magnetism because it contains a charged particle called ion. Plasma comprises over the 99% visible of the universe. The most visible example of plasma is the sun. Other examples are stars, auroras, and even lightning is an example of plasma. The fifth and last state of matter that we're going to discuss is called BoseEinstein Condensate, or the much known as BE condensate, or simply BEC. BEC happens at super low temperature. That's why it has a super cold atom. BEC happens after the atoms clump when you get to a temperature near absolute zero. The first four states of matter that we've discussed earlier are all natural, while BEC is a man-made state of matter. Superconductors and superfluids are the best examples of BEC. That's all for this video, learners. But before we end up, just a gentle reminder, never look at your flaws as a weakness. Instead, always consider it as an opportunity to grow and learn new things. Thank you, learners! Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time!